Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the channel where you get simple and practical tech solution. In this video, I will show you how to move toolbar from left to right in Adobe Acrobat. If your toolbar is stuck on the left side and you prefer the classic right side layout, this video is for you. Let's get started. Open Adobe Acrobat or PDF document. Now look at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the menu. From the menu list, find and click Disable New Acrobat Reader or Disable New Acrobat. This option will switch back to the classic layout where the toolbar appears on the right side. After clicking Disable New Acrobat, select Restart to launch the previous experience. Once it restarts, you will see the toolbar move back to the right side, just like the older version. Now, how to switch back to new experience? If you ever want to return to the new layout, just go to View and select Enable New Acrobat or Enable New Acrobat Reader. That's it. Very simple and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.